So, disclaimer, I really don't subscribe to conspiracy theories. But the recent death of journalist Michael Hastings did actually make me pause. The man was famously known for his vicious articles that would shred powerful people working U.S. national security. After today's episode, what do you think happened at the end of his story? Hello world, this is Cardinale, and you're watching The Meme Factory. Michael Hastings, famed American journalist known for his viral brand of national security investigation, was found dead about a month ago in a fiery Los Angeles car accident. Hastings was probably most known for his piece in Rolling Stone called The Runaway General. It made four-star General Stanley McChrystal, the head of NATO's International Security Assistance Force in Afghanistan, look like an anti-administration dog, and was in fact such an embarrassment that McChrystal ended up resigning his position. Among growing concern over Hastings' secretive and potentially dangerous pursuit of a story against the FBI, his associates Jason Leopold and Ryan Shapiro filed a lawsuit after the FBI failed to respond on time to a pair of Freedom of Information Act requests. They're actually looking to expedite the pleas that have thus far just been ignored by the FBI, when according to law, they should have seen documents within 20 working days. Needless to say, there is a pretty strong argument to be made for the FBI to release the files. Why? Because freedom of information. No duh. How much more complicated can it be? Unless there really is some massive national security issue, that's really all there is to argue, guys. Either way, the fact that the documents weren't released does make it seem like someone is hiding one hell of a story. Just hours before his death, Hastings warned his colleagues over email that his next big investigative story would likely have the FBI investigating his known associates. One of these friends, Staff Sergeant Joseph Biggs, responded to the email by telling KTLA News, "It alarmed me very much. I just said it doesn't seem like him. I don't know. I just had this gut feeling and it really just bothered me." Shortly thereafter, Hastings was dead. And that incited a response from anti-secrecy website WikiLeaks, which claimed that Hastings made contact with their group attorney the night before his fatal car crash. Of course, this fact only serves the growing conspiracy theories that claim Hastings sought protection from a potential government investigation. Today, there has been little released about the night of Hastings' accident. Although the FBI has officially rejected the notion that it targeted Hastings, the journalist associates Leopold and Shapiro still demand the Freedom of Information Act request be pushed through. Leopold concluded by saying, "Perhaps the FBI really doesn't have any records. But regardless, I think Hastings would actually appreciate that Shapiro and I are trying to find out whether that is truly the case." Ultimately, the unusual circumstances of Hastings' death are only part of the entire issue at hand. It's the broader issue of FBI surveillance of journalists that catches my attention. So the question remains, how do you think the US deals with its critics of national security policy? And how do you think it should be dealt with? Throw down in the comment box below. Because that's all I have for you today, world. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe for a dose of news and satire on the daily. And you can check us out more on Facebook, Twitter, and our website, thememefactory.com. Thank you very much, everybody. This has been Alexandra Cardinale, and you just watched The Meme Factory. See you on the wire. Signing off. Cool. Done.